Ever wondered how search engine like Google find your website? It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of buried gold, it's your valuable content. I remember when I started my online journey, I was so excited to share my knowledge, to share my ideas with the world. But I quickly realized that just putting content online wasn't enough. I needed a way to help search engine to find my work. So what is sitemap? The simple explanation of sitemap would be like a sitemap is like a roadmap for your website. It tells search engine where to go and what to find. Think of it as like a table of content of your website, but for search engine only. Imagine you are hosting a party at your house. You wouldn't want your guest wandering around aimlessly, right? To your house, guiding search engine crawlers to the best room in your digital home. So sitemap. First one is XML sitemap. This is a technical sitemap that search engine prefers. It's like a detailed blueprint of your website, listing all the important pages and their relationships. Second one is HTML sitemap. This is more for human visitors. It's a simple list of links to the most important pages on your website. It's like a table of content for your visitors. It helps search engine to find your content. A well-structured sitemap helps search engine to discover all pages on your website, even those they are deeply buried. Improves indexing. Search engines can index your website more effectively, leading to the faster search engine result. Then enhances SEO. A well-structured sitemap can boost your website SEO by helping search engine to understand your content's hierarchy. First method is manual creation. You can create XML sitemap manually using any text editor. But let's be honest, who wants to do that, right? Using website builders and CMS. Most website builders and content management systems like WordPress have built-in tools to generate sitemaps automatically. Third method is using SEO plugins. SEO plugins can help you to generate sitemap and optimize your website for search engines. So, a sitemap is a crucial tool for any website owner. It helps engines to find your content, improve your SEO, and ultimately drive more traffic to your website. If you haven't already taken the time to create a sitemap for your website, it's a small step that can have a big impact on your online visibility. Remember, a well-organized sitemap is like a party host who knows how to guide its guests to fun stuff. I learned the importance of sitemap hard way. I spent hours trying to figure out why my website wasn't ranking. Once I created a sitemap, my traffic started to improve. Don't make the same mistake again. I did. That's it for today, friends. So if you have any doubts and query, just let me in the comment section. I will make sure to make video on that as well. Thank you. Just like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you.